There was a time when removing a large through-hole component meant tackling every solder joint one at a time. So we went back to the drawing board, introducing a new generation of Rework solder system designed for modern through-hole rework. Instead of desoldering one connection at a time, the FX-310 directs molten solder through a nozzle matched to the component, bringing multiple solder joints to temperature simultaneously. Once the solder reflows, the entire through-hole connector or component can be removed in a single operation.
The FX.